Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something I've bought that I can use to clean my caravan. So if you want to know what it is, carry on watch this video and we'll see you when we get the box open. So here it is. I've taken it out of the box actually and I've opened it up also to charge the batteries. So I'll show you what's in it. I've actually bought it because I can't really get the caravan up to where we live now, and also where we store it there's no water, so I physically got to be able to get some water from take water down to wash the caravan. And I went down the other day and the caravan is absolutely filthy. There's house building going across the river, so all the dust from the house building or the estate they're building is coming across and covering all the caravans in the actual storage yard. So I'll show you what's in the box now. So it's actually a cordless pressure washer. It's Bula manufacturer of it, and I got it off Amazon. We're just under £60 I think. So you've got your instruction manual there. Don't really need it. I've already connected the filter that goes into your bucket and the quick connection for the to go on the gun. You get two batteries, so I've charged those up, and they're 21 volt, I haven't got my reading glasses on, max power, so I'm not sure how long they last. So you get two of those, exactly the same. You get the charger, you get like a soap dispenser bottle. You get the actual gun, and you get the nozzle, and it's got various degrees of power on it. So you've got your sprayer, you've got 0 degrees, which is a straight spray, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and that looks like it's a pulse. So we'll just connect the lance to the gun. So to connect the lance to the gun, you've got a bayonet fitting inside there and on there as well. So physically push it in, twist, and then pull out. And then once you're outside, your actual hose connection will go on there, and your battery slips in there. It's self-priming, so what we'll do now is we'll go outside with a bucket of water and we'll give it a try. So that's what's in the box. So like I say, I'll get a bucket of water and we'll just go out and show you what it works like when it's pumping water through the gun and that. See how powerful it is. I don't want it too powerful for cleaning caravan, you see. I don't want to damage any seals or anything, so hopefully it's not too powerful, but enough to be able to wash the muck off the caravan and also wash the soap and that off. Right, we'll go outside and I'll get my bucket of water. We'll see you outside. Right, so I'll drop the filter pipe into the, it's weighted as well, so it stops it bottom of bucket by the looks of it. So I'll drop that in now. So that goes in your bucket like that. So we've got that on straight spray now. So it primes itself up. That's enough just to clean caravan, I think. So I've moved it round to the pulse jet now. It's not too powerful, but it's powerful enough. So now I've moved it round to the 40 degrees. Cleaning that slab actually. So I've moved it around to 25 degree spray pattern now. So now we've moved it round to the 15 degrees. That's more powerful, that. So that's set to 0 degrees. So we'll show you how far it actually goes when you just spray it into open. So it's on 0 degrees at the moment. So that's on 15 degrees. That's on 25 degrees. That's now on 40 degrees. That's now on pulse jet. And that's now on like garden spray, wide spray. Ideal for watering planted gardens. So all in all, if you look at that slab, it doesn't do a bad job. So my plan is to take my 2 aqua rolls full of water down to the caravan, and hopefully there's enough water to clean the caravan. But going down probably tomorrow, we're going to clean out caravan. I've also bought myself some of that Cam Caravan kit with the soap and the cold wax wash, and we'll see how that performs. Hopefully caravan will be nice and clean when we go down. Well, after we've finished anyway. What I'm probably going to do is just show you caravan before and after we've washed it. I don't think you're bothered about watching me wash a caravan, and I'll not be able to film it easily anyway because I'll be on ladders and that, because the roof is absolutely loppy. So hopefully we'll get it clean, and if it's a success, it's a bonus, because like I say, I can't get caravan up here easy, and we've got no water down at storage yard. Right, so that's after washing roof and everything. So it works quite well. Jenny came with a little jet wash. We started to get some leaves on it and that now, but yeah, like I say, that's what it will like when we come down next doors. Nice and clean. All the way down the side as well. That's the back and the side. It's all nice and clean. We end up having to go home to get 2 more 40 litre of water. We've used 80 litres cleaning caravan, haven't we? Water. So looks brand new again now.
It does.
Hopefully we can get out from under these trees at some point. Right, hope you found that interesting. I haven't been given this product, I've bought it myself, I've got it from Amazon. I don't do affiliated links or anything like that, but it's a nice piece of kit, I must admit. It's not as powerful as a mains powered jet wash kind of thing, but it's enough to clean Caravan. So if you've liked this little video, don't forget, do the normal YouTubey stuff. So we are going away in it soon, so that's why I want to get it all nice and clean. And if you want to know where we're going, don't forget, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell, because it'll tell you when we've uploaded the next video, and hopefully it's the one after this. We will be away in the Caravan. So I'd like to say bye for now, and we'll see you when we're away in Caravan. Bye.